selection process, as I've been mentioning. So may box off yan eh. Merong date yung box off, you have to make your weight. Yan. So unfortunately, si Carlo caught that bad flu. Ito yung mga previous months eh, na so he wasn't able to train for a couple of weeks. And basically, he wasn't prepared for the box off. At that time, so he didn't make weight kasi sabi niya kahit nagte-training siya, tumatakbo siya sa oval, hindi talaga kaya ng katawan niya kasi understandably, physically, malaki rin yung impact nung flu or whatever illness he had at that time. And so, hindi siya naka-box off. No? So, upon learning that, I spoke to our coaches and sabi ko, let's reschedule yung box off for that weight class. Ang katimbang niya kasi si Ian Clark Bautista, who's also a 3-time SEA Games gold medalist. So, hindi rin naman tsaka weight class niya rin talaga yung 57. Si Carlo kasi from 54 yan, umakyat. Nung Tokyo Olympics, 52 siya. So talagang lumaki na lang din. Although ng Paris, 57 siya. Si Carlo, so I spoke to the coaches. Sabi ko, let's reschedule a box off. No? Because we have to settle it sa ring. Hindi yung hindi ready yung isa, kaya yung isa yung magpipili. But what happened was si Carlo nag-communicate sa akin and he expressed na let's not nag-beg off na siya dun sa box off. Kasi sabi niya, he respects the selection process, the timeline, and also he has huge respect to Ian Clark Bautista na alam naman niya na hindi rin naman to basta-bastang boxer lang. So feeling naman niya we're gonna be represented well at that weight class. And so siya, he's just setting his sights on the Asian Championships, which will be first quarter of the year, and some of the other tournaments ng IF namin, which are nakakakuha na ng ranking points for the Olympics. So doon na siya nag-focus ngayon. So kaya sabi niya ayaw na rin niya maka-distract sa team. And so nag-break off na rin siya for the box off.
So dalawang Carlos ang nawala. Parehas nag-game. Dalawang Olympian.
Dalawang Olympic medalist.
Carlos Yuda and Carlos Pala.